Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Can't all of our immune systems use a little bit of extra support? Well, I want to show you these elderberry gummies. These are from Nature's Bounty, and these are a really convenient way to add a little boost to your immune system. So these gummies are made with elderberry and vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc, and they have 100 milligrams of elderberry per serving. So these are a really tasty gummy. So it's not like you have to swallow something that is not good, because these little gummies, you take 2 of them a day with food. They are actually very delicious. They taste like just a really good gummy candy. And I love that it has the elderberry because that is something that is natural and is known to be able to give your immune system a little bit extra support. So I've been really happy with these gummies. I think for me, they've made a difference in my immune system feeling just a little bit stronger during cold and flu season. So I would definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.